Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a microSD card at a Poco X4 Pro 5G. Okay, for that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool. If you have put it back after inserting the SIM card, now you will find it here in this yellow box, and there's another yellow box, and if you open this yellow box, the SIM ejection tool should be here in case you have put it back. Okay, just flap the wings like this, and if you don't have it anymore, you could use also the edge of the good old paperclip. Again, if you have the phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. At the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. So just enter this hole and press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Again, on top of the SIM tray you will have the SIM card. And on the other side, you have now the chance to insert the microSD card. You have also the chance to insert a second SIM card if you want, but you have to decide between a second SIM card or a microSD card. So if you're having right now a second SIM card here, you have to remove it because we will need the full space for the microSD card. So just take the microSD card and place it like this. Insert it well, you will hear a click noise. And this is how it should look like then. So the contacts here are on the top. And yeah, if you're ready with it, then just turn the SIM card on the top, so that's on the side of the display, and then just put it back like this. Close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in like to transfer data from the internal storage to the microSD card and so on. Or you can also subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.